here. Welcome to my channel. Good to have you here. These are the colors I'm gonna use today. I have a canvas of 14 by 14 and I'm preparing to make another pearl painting with some negative space. So these are the paints I'm gonna use. You have seen last couple videos. I'm using the same colors really, except for the blue. I've only used it on one of my paintings. So we'll start with the blue. This is just a phthalo blue with a little bit of moss black by Artista. Crimson red with deep violet to make violet plum. This here is Winsor Newton's paint gray. This is a mixture of green, deep green and some turquoise by Artista. This is a mixture of a third of red, crimson red, and 2/3 of blue to make indigo. All right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And my base is gonna be just my regular recipe white. I haven't tinted it. Maybe I should tint it a little bit, but I want the cells to pop, so I'm not gonna tint. Oh sure, let's go ahead and tint it with this yellow. Or should I tint it with I should tint it with gray. Let's see, whichever is closer is what I'm gonna use. And it looks like this yellow is closer, so I'll tint it with yellow. It only needs a tiny bit drop. I'm not even kidding you. It's one tiny drop. There. That is gonna change the color of that white to kind of creamish. Look, that tiny dot right there, watch what happens. It's amazing. Look, now look how it looks like. It looks like a pearl white now. Okay, so now we're going to start pouring. I have prepared my canvas in the back, as always. Kids are watching stuff in the background. Don't mind it. So I'm gonna put a little puddle, and then we're gonna put our paint in the middle of the, on top of the puddle, and then we're gonna spread it around. Now I'm gonna try very hard to leave some negative space. I'm gonna go ahead and layer this paint. So this is what we got right here. See how beautiful it is? There we go. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Guys, from here on, I'm gonna put you on time lapse. And one of the reasons I'm gonna do that is because when you're on time, when the painting is on time lapse, you actually get to see all the cells pop out and the magic, when the magic starts to happen. Okay, this is now tilted and ready to for the magic to start happening. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just putting that white paint that you saw me put down is the cloud mix, the white cloud mix. It really transforms the painting. It makes these effects that are so incredible. You will see when it's done, when everything is done, you will actually see how this cloud mix, and it's just a mixture of satin house paint, satin latex house paint, Liquitex medium, GAC 800, Floetrol, and the satin enamels that are the DecoArt satin enamels. That's just a mixture of that white paint, and all you gotta do is put a tiny little dot, like a tiny bit. See how I put a big line there, and it just spreads all over the place. So but the effect, it is wonderful. So the dark brown that you see on there is the Modern Masters nickel with bronze, the cloud over, and the mixture for that, the ingredients for that, I will link it below. And before I forget, guys, I actually got this technique from Sarah Taylor. She is one of the best artists out there. If you want to check out her channel, please do. This is the technique I got from her on YouTube. Thank you, Sarah. When you put it down, it puffs and it just makes this cloud effect that I like a lot. So this is basically the same effect as the white cloud mix, and so we just be very careful with these cloud overs, because if you put too much, they're just gonna take over your painting and it's not gonna look very good. So just a dot goes a long way. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. Just kind of touching up, fixing up, making it look the way I want it to look. I know it's abstract, but you can use your creativity to kind of create something that you love, and this is what I'm doing here. So yeah, enjoy watching, and we'll see you at the end. I will explain at the end of the painting and give you a close-up when it's done. So guys, the painting is done. What do you guys think? It is so wonderful. I really do hope it dries like this. Yes, I'm loving it. I love this painting, and the color, it is so subtle. The color is so beautiful. Just by adding that small drop of the yellow, the base paint just turned out beautiful. And see the puff, the cloud mix, how it puffs out, and it just gives these cloud effect. Beautiful. And then it brings out the color that is underneath, and it just mixes together. Like that white cloud mix that I put on there, it just brought out the green. It kind of mixed with the green, and it just looks so beautiful. Yeah, it is wonderful. I love it, and I do love the way it turned out. So yes, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this painting, and I will talk with you soon. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family, and God bless. Bye.